Hi students, friends, good afternoon to all. I welcome you all in this first lecture of the subject Introduction to Fluid Mechanics. So I am Professor H.R. Pawar, working as an assistant professor in our college, Swerit COE Pandharpur in the civil engineering department. Okay. And I'm going to deal with you. I'm going to teach the subject Introduction to Fluid Mechanics. So before proceeding ahead further, so it will be better to have the introduction of each other. That first up, I will introduce myself, and then one by one you can introduce yourself. Okay, and then we will take the introduction of this subject, Introduction to Fluid Mechanics. Okay, so I will introduce myself first. I am Professor H.R. Pawar. So I have done my ME, that is masters in the water resource engineering. Okay, from Aurangabad University, and presently I am pursuing the PhD in civil engineering. Okay, so that PhD work, research work is going on. I have taken the admission in this January 2021 for the PhD. Okay, I have total more than 9 years experience in the teaching, and 2 years field experience, that is industrial experience. Okay, I have taught these subjects, this introduction to fluid mechanics subject, that earlier it was known as FM1, that is fluid mechanics 1. Then I have taught, apart from this subject, I have taught the subjects like FM2, that is introduction to fluid mechanics 2, then environmental engineering 1, environmental engineering 2, then basic civil engineering, engineering mechanics, then water resources engineering. So such subjects I have taught earlier. So this was my introduction in short. Okay. So now let us have the introduction of you. So you can unmute yourself, you can start your videos, and you can introduce yourself one by one. You have to introduce yourself. Yes, who will introduce first? Just you have to tell your name. Then you have to tell the earlier college, 12th completed college, from which college you have done your 12th. Okay. And I think all of you are from the first year from the same college, very right. You need not to tell that. And if you are willing to tell, you can tell your native place or location from where you belong. Okay. So this is the part I would like to know from your side. So I will ask, and you have to give your introduction. Roll number 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please give your introduction.
Sir, after 1 minute.
Okay. Roll number 2. Roll number 2, I think he is not present. So I will take your names as per this attendance. Participant list is there with me right now. I'm able to see that. So I will take the names, and then you can introduce yourself. Roll number 34. Chaitanya.
Yes, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Sir. My name is Chaitanya Gopal Chandole from Pandharpur, and 12th college is Vivekananda Vidyalaya, Mahavidyalaya, Pandharpur.
Okay. So if you wish to open your start your videos, you have the freedom, so that other students also able to see you. Okay, as all these lectures are right now, it is online. So just by knowing the names, we are not going to know the person. If you start your videos, then we will be able to see you by your face also will know you. That is who is Chaitanya actually right now. Then who is Om? So there is a request from my side. Don't use the short form of your name. So there are many students who have put their name with their class and roll number. So likewise also, if you put your names like that, that will be better for everyone, and that will be better for me to take your attendance. Okay. So now the person who is Om, he has not here put his name fully, completely. He has to write his name, roll number, and name fully. Okay.
My name
If
is
this
Om
person,
Solishekar. My diploma, my field diploma is completed.
Okay, you are from the club, no problem. Okay. The students who are who have come from the first year, they should introduce. DSY students, I will take your introduction whenever your regular lectures will start. Okay. Or if you are interested, then you can also give your introduction. Now, roll number 67, Shahid. Shahid, are you listening to me? Okay, there might be some problem. Roll number 1, Ambure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can introduce yourself.
I am Snehal Shankar Ambure. I am basically from Mada. I have completed HSC with science at Mother Public School Mada with 72%.
Okay,
Thank you.
nice. Nice, good. Next, roll number 3, Saili.
Hello, sir. I am Saili Suryakant Bhosle. I am from Pandharpur. I have completed 12th in Akluz.
Okay, nice. Next one, roll number 7, Pragati.
Myself, Pragati Ashok Jadhav. I am from Siddewadi. I have completed my 12th standard from Mangalveda.
Okay, nice. Next, Sweta.
Myself, Shweta Jadhav from Bohai. My 12th college is Lotus English School, Kasegaon.
Okay. Next, Pranali.
Hello, sir. I am Pranali Ramesh Jair from Sanamdi. I am completed for HSC Nigdi.
You are from which place?
Sanamdi,
Taluka?
Jat.
Jat Taluka, okay. Next one, Rohini.
Yes, sir. I am Rohini Kadam from Ojwadi. I am completed the 12th from Pandharpur.
Okay, nice. Roll number 26, Vishal. Vishal Kadam. Unmute yourself. Vishal, are you able to hear me? Okay, next, roll number 1 is over 3 is roll number 11, Rohini Kadam झालेली. Roll number 13, Sakshi.
Hello, sir. Myself, Korke Sakshi Mahadev. I am from Bhose. I am completed my HSC from Bhose.
Okay, nice. Next, Chaitrali.
Hello sir, I am Chaitral Kulkarni from Dahewadi and I have completed my HSC from Dahewadi College Dahewadi.
Dahewadi Taluka?
Taluka Man District Satara sir.
Okay. Next, roll number 15.
Hello, sir. My name is Mayuri Mari. I am from Kupsangi. I have completed my 12th standard in Sangola.
Okay. Then roll number 16.
Hello, sir. My name is Rutuja Rajabhau Pawar. I am from Pandharpur. I have completed my HSC from Pandharpur.
Okay. Next, Ankita.
Hello, sir. I am Ankita Sunil Phake. I am basically from Sugav Bhuse. I have completed SSC at Yashwant Vidyalaya Bhuse with 80% marks and HSC with science at Yashwant Junior College Bhuse with 85 marks at percent.
Nice. Next, Pooja. Roll number 18. Pooja.
Hello, sir. Myself, Pooja Nasai Vingre from Khomna. I have HSC completed Mangalwada.
Okay. Roll number 19. Reshma.
Hello, sir. Myself Reshma Sadigle. I am from Pandharpur. I have completed HSC from KV College of Pandharpur.
Okay, nice. Roll number 20. Mansi.
Myself Mansi Mahadev Sulgar. I am from Taratgaon. I am completed HSC from Pandharpur.
Okay. Next one. Roll number 21.
Yes, sir. I am Madhuri Rajaram Shinde. I am living Anavli, which is situated near to our college. I am completed my HSC from KBP College, Pandharpur.
Okay, nice. Next one. Roll number 22. Pooja.
Hello, sir. I'm Pooja Sahibrao Shinde. I'm living in Anavli, which is situated 4 to 5 kilometers from our college. I have completed my HSC from KBP College, Pandharpur.
Nice. Roll number 23.
Hello, sir. Myself Sunaina Nagnath Thakre. I am from Korfare. My completed HSC in Barshi.
Okay. Roll number 30.
Hello, sir. Myself, Sanush Surendra Bhatkar from Ratnagiri. I have completed my HSC at Abhinkar Kulkarni Junior College, Ratnagiri.
Okay, nice. Then roll number 31. Krishna. Roll number 31. Is there any technical problem? Roll number 35. Rohan.
Hello, sir. My name is Rohan Bapu Chavan from Pandharpur. 12th college is KP College, Pandharpur.
Okay, nice. After that, roll number 36.
Myself, Yuvraj Navnath Deshmukh. I am from Solapur. I have completed HSC in Sangmeshwar College of Solapur.
Okay, nice. Roll number, after that, directly 42. Roll number 42. Akshay. May not be, network issue might be there. Roll number 43.
Sir, my name is Yashwant Thobale. I am from Sangola. I am 12th passing to Sanjay Gohdat, Kolhapur.
Okay. Next, roll number 47.
Hello, sir. My name is Sani Shirish Katsari. I am from Akluz and I complete my HSC from Sangli.
Okay, nice. Next, roll number 52. Roll number 52. Okay, next, roll number 53.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Vaibhav Ramesh Dagre. I am from Saulaj, district Sangli. I have completed my 12th from JNV Satara.
JNV Satara.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. I am also a JNV student.
From which, sir?
From here, Solapur, Kokrapur.
Yes, Solapur.
Vaibhav, roll number 53 is Varun. Roll number 58. Roll number 58. Roll number 60. Prajwal. Roll number 61.
Hello, sir. I am Atharva Sanjay Ropekar. I am from Pandharpur and I completed HSC from Pandharpur.
Okay. Roll number 62.
Myself, Yash Sakre from Solapur, completed 12th from Shanti Junior College.
Okay, nice. Roll number 65.
Hello, sir. My name is Anurag Anishinde from Akluz. I have completed HSC from Akluz.
Okay, nice. Then roll number 66.
Sir, my name is Sanket Dattatreya Shinde. I am from Usmanabad. I have completed HSC in Usmanabad College.
Roll number 66, Sanket Shinde. Okay. Then Sandeep and Sathe. Are you diploma students, both of you, or regular? Sandeep, you can also give the introduction if you want. I think these two students are from the direct second year students. Okay, most of the students we have taken the introduction. If anyone has been remained there, you can unmute yourself and give the introduction. Okay, I think no one is remained. 45. Pranali Gaikwad, have you introduced yourself? If you are not, then you can introduce. Roll number 4, I think. It's not there. Okay, let us now start the session. So, before entering into the this course means subject, that is Introduction to Fluid Mechanics. As per our SWERI pattern, SWERI has our separate one distinctive pattern to which we call as a Pandharpur pattern in professional education. In short, we call it as a triple P. According to that triple P, okay, there we have to introduce this subject. We have to understand what is the importance of this subject in our course, in our branch field, that is civil engineering. Okay, so that first we will see. We will understand what is the title of this subject or the course. Then you will know what is the importance of this subject in civil engineering. And then we will see the curriculum, that is scheme, how much weightage is there for the theory, and how much weightage is there for the practicals, how much marks are there for the term work and theory exam. Then we will see the total syllabus in depth. What are the contents that we are going to learn in this particular subject. And after that, we will see what are the COs and POs, that is course outcomes of, from this subject that we are going to see. And after that, we will see what are the assignment questions. In assignment questions, generally we take the important questions which have been asked in university examination in various years, different years. Okay, and then we will see the actual syllabus from this unit number 1, that is fluid properties. Okay, so let us start now. About the title of the subject. Okay, here. Yes, so now what is visible here? About the title of the subject. So what is the title of the subject? One minute here. The title of our this course or the subject is Introduction to Fluid Mechanics. So to understand the title of this subject, it is better to bifurcate all these 3 words and to understand the meaning of each term, and then collectively we will understand the meaning of the term Introduction to Fluid Mechanics. So introduction, all of you know that the word introduction has the meaning that it is the act of introducing something, that is called as the introduction. Means we are going to understand or introduce with some new concept or new fundamentals. So that is nothing but it is introduction. Then what is the meaning of fluid? So fluid is nothing but, so this definition we are going to see in the unit number 1 after some slides. But here also, to understand the title, I'm going to read this, or I'm going to tell you the definition of this word fluid. A fluid is nothing but it is any substance which has the capacity to flow. In general, we know that the states of matter. Okay, in physics you have learned there are 3 states of the matter: solid, liquid, and gases. So out of these 3 states, liquid and gases, these are the states of matter which has the capacity to flow. Okay, they can flow, right? And they are able to take the shape of the container in which it kept. Okay, कुठल्याही कंटेनर मध्ये जर आपण एखादं लिक्विड ठेवलं तर ते लिक्विड काय होतं त्या ठिकाणी त्या कंटेनरचा शेप त्या ठिकाणी पकडतं. So that is the property of the fluid. So fluid is nothing but it is the substance, for example, as a liquids or gases that is capable of flowing. Okay, ते flow होऊ शकतं and that changes its shapes at a steady rate when acted upon by a force tending to change its shape. So continuously it will get deformed. Okay, deform होणे म्हणजे काय? There will be a change in the shape. When it is going to deform? When any external force is acting on it. Okay, so as all the fluids which are present on this earth, or all the liquids or the matters which are present on the earth, they are going to experience the gravitational force continuously. So that is an external force acting on it. Apart from the gravitational force, there are different forces like pressure force is there or any other force. So that forces they impart, they try to change the shape. Okay, when that forces act on any particular liquid or gases, they have the capacity to change the shape. Okay, it is not like with the solids. Okay, on solids, all these external forces are acting, but generally the shape of the solids easily do not get changed. Okay, but about the liquids and gases, their shapes easily it get changed when the external force act on that particular liquid or gases. So that is the basic characteristics of the fluid. Okay, so fluid is nothing but it is liquids or gases. That you have to keep in mind here. Then mechanics. In first year, you have learned, I think in first semester, engineering mechanics you might have learned. So the same meaning it is also it is there about the mechanics. So what is the mechanics? Mechanics is nothing but it is the branch of physics that deals with what? With the action of forces on the bodies and with motion comprised of statics and dynamics. So mechanics is nothing but it is a branch of physics, right? In which we do the study of different type of forces acting on the body. Either the body may be in rest condition or it may be in motion. If the body is in rest condition, that study we call it as a statics, and if the body is in motion, then we call it as a dynamics. So statics and dynamics, that these are the two branches of mechanics we have learned in the engineering mechanics subject. Okay, so that is the same mechanics word is here. There you have learned engineering mechanics in the first year, in which most of the parts there you have experienced all they were the physical bodies, solid bodies were there. But here you are going to learn the mechanics from the fluid point of view. Here you are going to learn the mechanics of the fluids. Okay, means mechanics of the liquids and the gases. So that you are going to learn here. Okay, so now collectively I am going to tell you the meaning of the word introduction to fluid mechanics. Okay, so here introduction to fluid mechanics is nothing but it is the act of introducing the branch of science or physics which deals with the study of the fluids at rest or in motion. Okay, study of the fluids and the forces which are acting on the fluids either at rest or in motion. So this is the definition or the meaning of the title Introduction to Fluid Mechanics. Now, as you are now aware about the meaning of the word introduction to fluid mechanics, just now we have seen the meaning of the word introduction to fluid mechanics. What is that? It is the act of introducing or understanding what is fluid mechanics. Okay, so in earlier syllabus or the curriculum, the title of this subject, it was Fluid Mechanics 1. Okay, actually in this FM1 you are going to get introduced with the concepts of the fluid mechanics. So because of that, in the current curriculum they have modified the name title of the course, and it has been given as Introduction to Fluid Mechanics. Now in this subject, what you are going to learn, so that overview I am going to tell you. That is nothing but the central idea of this subject. So what is the fluid mechanics? Fluid mechanics is the branch of physics concerned with the mechanics of the fluid, that is liquid, gases or the plasmas, and the forces acting on them. Now here, before few minutes, we have discussed about the three states of matter. Okay, so in day-to-day life or in generally, we consider there are only three states of matter, but actually there is one more state of matter which is called as the plasma. So plasma is nothing but it is the ionic part, that is positive ions and negative ions. We know that charged particles, if they are there, then it is called as the plasma. So that is also one more state of matter, and that is also can be considered as a fluid. Okay, here in fluid mechanics, it studies the system with fluids such as liquid or gases under statics and dynamics. Here in this subject, you are going to learn the systems. For example, in static, if we consider the dam body, so dam can be considered as one system. Okay, so we are going to do the study of that system. So less than 1 minute is remain there. This session may end at any time. You have to rejoin once again on the given link. Okay. Then other kind of systems can be considered as the water supply line. Okay. Then sewerage line. So these are the different types of system. Then again in our field, शेतामध्ये वगैरे आपले जे pipeline असते, that is another kind of system, fluid system, through which water flows from higher pressure to lower pressure or the higher energy to the lower energy. So this study of the systems in which the fluid is flowing, so that study is called as the this fluid mechanics. Okay, it can be statics or it can be dynamic.